In this video, we are going to see how to use the adulteration kit designed for testing rice, wheat, chili powder, flour, salt, ghee or butter. Using this kit we can find out if these items are adulterated or not. These food products are consumed by millions of people. But some suppliers adulterate these items for their cheap profit. This is a very simple kit and consumer-friendly. Also, it carries simple instructions. Anyone can use this kit and it is quite easy to use. This kit is designed to find the presence of some common adulterants used in these items. This kit contains 5 plastic vials with cap. These plastic vials contain reagents which are used to detect the presence of starch, iodine, Rhodamine-B and boric acid. These are common adulterants used in these items. Also, this kit contains an instruction sheet. It says how color changes if adulterants are present in these items. Instructions are printed on the kit as well. This kit cannot be used more than once. All 5 plastic vials are labeled. Hence, we can easily say which one should be used for testing boric acid, starch, iodine and Rhodamine-B. Let's do boric acid test first. Boric acid is one of the main adulterants in rice. It is usually added in small amounts to kill small bugs in rice. It is toxic to lower organisms. Although it is not considered toxic to humans in small amounts, it can cause health issues over prolonged intake. If boric acid is present in rice, the solution turns from yellow to orange. But I don't see any color change here. It shows the absence of boric acid. Next, the test for the presence of iodine. Commercially available salts, especially powdered salt, contains iodine. It is marketed as iodized salt. They usually add potassium iodide or potassium iodate in it as the source of iodine. On shaking, the solution turns blue. It shows the presence of iodine in salt. Actually, the source of iodine is not an adulterant. It is usually added to avoid thyroid-related issues. Next, the test for boric acid again. Like they do in rice, they adulterate wheat with boric acid too. Like we have seen before, if boric acid is present in wheat, the solution turns from yellow to orange. But here there is no such color change. It shows the absence of boric acid. The penultimate test is Rhodamine-B test. It is an adulterant used in chili powder to give a bright color. It is a chemical dye. It is a suspected carcinogen. Also, it affects our nervous and reproductive systems. As we all know, only permitted harmless food colors should be used in food products. If Rhodamine-B is present in chili powder, the solution turns pink. But here there is no such color change and it shows the absence of Rhodamine-B. After each test, you can check the scale provided in the back of the box if there is any noticeable color change. The fifth and final test is starch test. Starch is usually added to ghee or butter to compensate its quantity, as both ghee and butter are fairly expensive. Starch is cheap and non-toxic. It is usually added to these items to make cheap profit. It is the common adulterant in ghee and butter. I'm testing ghee here. If ghee or butter contains starch, it turns blue. I don't see any color change here. It shows the absence of starch.